Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the JuliaOS token. Ticker symbol is JOS. Now this token just got a couple very big central exchange listings starting today, April 24th. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has a $16 million market cap. They have $14.3 million in 24-hour trade volume today, 44,802 transactions, and this token pair was actually only created 19 hours, 3 minutes ago on Radium. So brand new pool, under 24 hours old. They're doing very well. The liquidity pool contains $533,000 worth of tokens, and 99.64% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And token price right now is about 1.61 cents per token. So this token here just got 2 very big central exchange listings starting today. So they just got listed today, April 24th, 3:30 a.m. UTC time on LBANK. It says spot listing world premiere on LBANK. And they also just got listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search JOS, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So JuliaOS is a comprehensive framework for building decentralized applications with a focus on agent-based architectures, swarm intelligence, and cross-chain operations. It provides both a CLI interface for quick deployment and a framework API for custom implementations. By leveraging AI-powered agents and swarm optimization, JuliaOS enables sophisticated strategies across multiple blockchains. The system features implementations of agents, swarms, blockchain interactions, decentralized exchange operations, storage, and cross-chain bridges. It has a modular architecture that allows for easy extension and integration with existing components. The Julia backend provides high-performance computation, while the TypeScript JavaScript frontend offers a user-friendly interface. The Python wrapper provides a comprehensive interface to JuliaOS with support for LangChain, multiple LLM providers, and Google ADK. Some of the core features here, it says there's agent-based architecture with real implementations for different agent types, swarm intelligence with multiple optimization algorithms, agent skills and specialization system with experience tracking and level progression, neural network integration with FluxJL for various network architectures, portfolio optimization with dynamic rebalancing using swarm intelligence, hybrid swarm algorithms with multi-objective optimization and constraint handling, multi-chain support Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Arbitrum, Optimism, BSC, etc. with real blockchain interactions. Decentralized exchange functionality with price quotes, slippage protection, and multi-chain support. Cross-chain bridge integration with Wormhole, Axelar, and Layer 0 for token transfers. Decentralized storage with Arweave, IPFS, and local SQLite storage. Comprehensive security infrastructure with input validation and error handling. Enhanced monitoring and logging across all modules. Interactive CLI with improved usability and error handling. Comprehensive project documentation with API references, examples. Wallet integration with support for multiple providers like Ledger, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, etc. LangChain integration in the Python wrapper. Python wrapper with comprehensive interface to JuliaOS. Multiple large language model integrations like OpenAI, Llama, Gemini, etc. Google Agent Development Kit integration. Chainlink price feeds integration with reliable on-chain data. Usable and test nets with improved reliability and error handling. Modular architecture with clear separation of concerns. And Docker Locker support for easy development and cross-chain compatibility. So they have a Telegram you could follow at JuliaOS portal that has over 1,000 members. You can preview the channel before joining. It's going to be a great place to see updates. According to their Soul Scan, right now they have 3,349 holders. There's 6 decimal places on this token. Current supply, 999,995,589 tokens. And they also have here the webpage JuliaOS.com has the DApp link on there. Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, document section, DEX screener chart. You can also find this token on Gecko Terminal, DEX tools, etc. And yeah, so the trading components include DEX interaction, swarm management, blockchain interface, cross-chain hub, market data service, position management, risk management, monitoring system. The security components include input validation, error handling, authentication, authorization, secure storage, rate limiting, logging, user extensible security, and then the agent system, agent creation and management, agent types, agent configuration, agent storage, agent communication, monitoring, deployment, and specialization. They also have a huge section on swarm intelligence, agent skills and specialization, neural networks, portfolio optimization, wallet integration, LLM integration, and just tons of info. And you can find it all in the document section, the GitHub, and the web page. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.